Worried about the Application Virtualization Streaming User Experience DLL causing further system corruption? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Here is the verified path to a healthy Windows installation. To kick off the manual repair for Application Virtualization Streaming User Experience, you can also find an official toolkit designed for system-level synchronization. This is the Application Virtualization Streaming User Experience, the Microsoft Application Virtualization Streaming User Experience Library. It manages the localized UI frames and progress bars for streamed apps in corporate environments. If corrupted, users will see the Appvstreaming window hang or crash, preventing virtualized apps like Office from launching. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. This error indicates that a protected Windows file has been compromised. Use the official System File Checker tool. Run sfc/scan now in an administrator CMD to ensure Application Virtualization Streaming User Experience DLL is restored to its original verified state. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Application Virtualization Streaming User Experience, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. A vital technical reminder: modifying Application Virtualization Streaming User Experience DLL manually is a high-risk procedure that can overwrite essential library files your hardware depends on for basic functionality and secure processing. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. If you're encountering repeated missing file alerts, the recommended suite linked below provides informational guidance for Application Virtualization Streaming User Experience. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and Application Virtualization Streaming User Experience error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.